Welcome to another episode of 2 Minute Tuesday. I appreciate that they very rarely last 2 minutes in length, but I'm going to try my best. Today we're going to be talking about how I believe that you can overcome procrastination. Procrastination is a major obstacle. It's stopping you from showing up, doing what you said you would in order to achieve your goals. But I have several strategies that I can help you overcome it and become more productive, thus helping you get what you need to get done so that you can be free from your own bullshit and excuses. So here they are, 6 of them. Number 1, obtain crystal clear clarity. Sit down with a pen and paper and write down your goals. Not just the overview of your goals, but a clear and concise paragraph detailing every aspect of your goal. I don't just want to know the amount of weight that you want to lose, the amount of money you want to save, or what milestones you'd like to achieve in your business and relationships, but when you'll do it by. Be clear on the date, where you'll do it, and perhaps even specify how you're going to do it. Make sure you write it all down, pen to paper, as not only would this help you think more logically and rationally, you're much more likely to do what you said you would when it's written down. Number 2, once you're clear on your goals, break tasks down into smaller, more manageable daily non-negotiables. Clarity over what you're going to do, when you're going to do it, as well as understanding how simple the daily tasks can be, will be a cure for any overwhelm and anxiety you have towards getting started. Number 3, eliminating distractions. This often means putting your phone on Do Not Disturb, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, or finding a better working environment. Number 4, attempting to address the underlying reasons that you're procrastinating in the first place. It might be because you're afraid of failure, or perhaps you're unsure of how to approach a task. It might be that you're just lazy and you need to raise a hand, accept where you are right now because of your own thoughts, feelings, actions, and behaviors. You'll no doubt need to create an identity that's aligned with the person that you need to be in order to do whatever it is that you said you'd do in the first place. Now, before I get into number 5, drop a comment below if you're a serial procrastinator. Let me know what it is you'd like to achieve and how long you've been procrastinating for. Here's number 5, take cold showers or ice baths. Now, I'm aware it's not what you want to hear. The voice on your shoulder, your chimp, your self-righteous ego, the voice that's convincing you to snooze the alarm, sit in your arse, scroll on your phone and do everything else possible instead of what it is that you'd said you'd do, is the same voice that'll convince you not to get in that cold water. The more you can find a way to overcome that voice when you force yourself to get up to your collarbone in that cold water, the easier you'll be able to overcome it when it tries to convince you not to complete those non-negotiable tasks that I mentioned earlier. Finally, number 6, have a sense of urgency. When we have important deadlines, we get shit done. Sometimes it might be last minute, but we find a way. You can apply the same principle to all of your other goals. Now, I'm not saying you should attempt to achieve everything in an unrealistic time frame. We all know that's not going to happen. What is worth achieving can't be achieved overnight. However, stop putting things off. Don't take the relaxed approach when it comes to setting a deadline for your target. Be brutal, plan with a sense of urgency. Promise you're more likely to get it done. In summary, gaining clarity, writing things down, establishing non-negotiable tasks, setting urgent deadlines, eliminating distractions, addressing underlying reasons, and using cold showers and ice baths daily are all effective strategies for overcoming procrastination. Now, I use these amongst others with the blokes that I work with, and they have an incredible impact on increasing productivity and getting shit done. If you want more advice and tips on how to overcome procrastination, gain a sense of direction, clarity, focus, and get into incredible shape, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Dropping a thumbs up would also be enormously appreciated, as it gives me the chance to reach out to as many blokes just like you as possible and help.